So at the beach, lovely, lovely, lovely day. It's already this warm and it's about 9:30. Okay, 9:45. I've been told. So we've not even got there, but this is just the beginning of it. So the plan is for me to go and have a nice swim, not in the sea, but in the swimming pool. I'll see you and I'll keep you informed. Bye for now. So this is the beach where we're going to be hanging out pretty soon. For now, I'm going to go to the pool. I'd rather swim in the pool than swim in the sea, to be honest. So here we are. This is the pool. So this is the see where we are. So this is a ferry apparently. So what's it called? Long Island. So people apparently live on Long Island, or they live here and they go and work on Long Island. And yeah, look at this place. This place is quite okay, isn't it? Not bad at all. So I'm just waiting to get into the pool for the swim. So it's a great day, really. Honestly, it's lovely and warm. It's beautiful, beautiful. So I just finished a nice swim, not in the sea, in an open air swimming pool on the beach. It's quite good. It's good. It was 50 meters long, so everybody could just find their own spots, and it was 14 meters deep on the deep end. So it's quite good. So you could find your level, and yeah. Good time. So now we just start having a walk on the beach front. Yeah, so and then go and find something to nibble. See you later. This is a really nice beach. Really nice beach. Really nice beach here. Okay. See you later.